Hey guys, this is Dylan from Jockey Battle. This project I've been working, it's two bedside tables, square shaped. I started from pasting the wood and then cutting it into size, into squares, and then pasting it again as the picture shows. And now we are going to give it its first varnish coat. I'm using a stain varnish so that it darkens the wood a little bit because I'm using mahogany, and it looks good. It's really hard to tell from the first coat obviously, but yeah, looks pretty good. Just so that you know, I didn't take the footage of the first bits. Actually, that was the one that took the longest time because I had to straighten the wood, plan the wood, flatten the wood, and then sand for years. Right here I'm planning out the bases of the boxes, the wooden boxes, and I'm using 3/4-inch box bar to make the bases, and it's a heavy gauge as well, but it will give that minimalistic thin effect while being strong. Okay, so this is actually one of my favorite pieces of machinery in the shop. Not as dangerous as it looks. Okay, so right now I'm pre-drilling the holes where the screws will go through. So this is the bit that will attach the wooden box to the metal frame, and we're starting on the legs. So I'm just adjusting, measuring, and then tack welding them into place, and then readjusting and after re-measuring. And once I get this set piece done, I will just copy this onto the other three pieces. That was really hard. Okay, so now we are actually getting ready to set up the base. First we are tacking them into place, adjusting, leveling them out, and then going for the final welds. This is just a mock setup. We need to finish it, we need to grind it and finish them off. And I couldn't resist, so I just kept it on top just to get an idea of what it will look like at the end. Alright guys, that's it for this video. Part 2 also will be out on my YouTube channel. Check it out and see you guys on the next video.